Hi everybody, and welcome back to my series of Trader Joe's reviews. I've done quite a few of them so far, and I don't know how many more I'm going to do, but maybe I'll just do them forever. I don't know. We'll see. But in any case, what I'm trying to do is find Trader Joe's products that are easy to make, that taste good, that you don't have to add, you don't have to add anything extra to them, and that are less than 10 grams of carbs per serving. So what I found was the Shiitake mushroom with Shiitake mushroom chicken, and this has 9 grams of carbs per serving and 2 grams of fiber and 2 grams of sugar. So if you subtract the fiber from the carbs, you get 7 net grams of carbs. So, and these are a savory dish of marinated chicken, shiitake mushrooms, edamame, and green beans in ginger soy sauce. So it looks like it's pretty easy to make, and hopefully it'll taste good. So let's find out. So first of all, if we look on the back of the package, it says you have to defrost everything. So it says place unopened sauce packet in a bowl with warm water. Place chicken on a microwave safe dish, cover with plastic. Heat the chicken and unopened vegetable pouch in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do first. So first thing I'm going to do is open the package and get the sauce packet out and put that in some warm water. So cut open the package here, find the sauce packet, which I guess this is the sauce packet here, stir fry sauce. So that's going in this warm water, which maybe I need a bigger bowl, but all right, so the sauce packet is in a bowl of warm water. Next thing it says to do is to take the chicken and put it on a microwave safe dish and cover with plastic. So I'm going to take the vegetables out of here and put the chicken on this plate here. And then I've got some plastic ready to go here, covered up with plastic. And by the way, this package is 22 ounces, and the whole thing is 4 servings for the whole package, and it says each serving is 1 cup. So just to give you an idea of how much we have there. So the next step, it says to heat the chicken and the unopened vegetable pouch in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to put the chicken in here and unopened vegetable pouch. Doesn't say to puncture it or anything like that, so hopefully it won't blow up on me. And we'll give it 2.5 minutes, I guess. Okay, so the next step, it says to add a tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter instead of oil because the oil spatters all over the place and it makes the house smell like fried food. And so I'm going to try it with butter instead of oil. Hopefully the recipe will still turn out fine, and we'll see how it goes. But that's what I'm going to do. So I put a tablespoon of butter in the frying pan here, and I'm going to just heat it up until it's nice and hot. And then I'm going to add the sauce to that, and it says to add the sauce and heat until bubbling. So once this butter is melted here, I'm going to add the sauce. I'll cut open the sauce packet here. Okay. And now I'm going to add it to my butter. So once the sauce is bubbling, it says to add the defrosted chicken and the vegetables. So I'm going to open up this vegetable packet here. And uncover the chicken. And then I'm going to add that to my pan. So we're stir frying everything together here, and it says to cook it until everything is heated through, which is about 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll just set my timer for about 4 minutes here. Okay, it's all done. Here it is. And as you can see, it's got chicken, edamame, green beans, and shiitake mushrooms in it. It looks really good. It smells good. And I can't wait to try it. So let's see how it is here. Try a little piece of the chicken first. Very good. It's I think it's thigh meat. And very tender, and I love the sauce. It's really delicious. Now I'm going to try a little bit of shiitake mushroom, and so I got a little bit of everything. I got the green bean and edamame, shiitake, and a piece of chicken all combined together. So let's see how that is. That's very good. Everything is nice and tender. The shiitakes are really good, and the edamames. I wish there was more shiitakes, but that's okay. You know, all in all, I would highly recommend this. I think I would buy it again. I really can't find anything wrong with it. I wouldn't. You might want to serve this with rice, but since I'm trying to keep it low carb, I would just eat it just like it is. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Highly recommend it, and hope you enjoyed watching this. And if you did, please subscribe. And if you'd like to see something else, have me cook something else in the future, leave a comment, and I'll see if I can fit it in. So thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell, and you'll be notified of new videos as they are produced.